The 2026 Yamaha V Star 950 is a stylish mid-size cruiser that combines classic American-inspired design with Yamaha's reputation for reliability and smooth performance. Designed for riders who enjoy comfortable highway cruising as well as relaxed city riding, the V Star 950 features a low seat height, a laid-back riding position, and timeless styling with plenty of chrome accents. Its combination of manageable power and easy handling makes it suitable for both experienced riders and those moving up from smaller motorcycles. Recent reviews also highlight its dependable engine, low maintenance costs, and comfortable ergonomics for long-distance rides. Powering the motorcycle is a 942 cubic centimeter air-cooled SOHC 60-degree V-twin engine paired with a 5-speed transmission and a belt drive system. This engine delivers smooth, low-end torque, making acceleration predictable and enjoyable for everyday riding. The belt drive requires less maintenance than a chain, providing quieter operation and greater convenience for owners. The bike produces around 54 horsepower and approximately 82 Newton-meters of torque, offering enough performance for highway travel while maintaining excellent fuel efficiency. It can reach an estimated top speed of 175 kilometers per hour, although real-world performance depends on riding conditions and rider weight. Comfort is one of the V Star 950's greatest strengths. The motorcycle features a low 685mm seat height, allowing riders of different heights to plant their feet firmly on the ground. Wide handlebars, forward-mounted foot controls, and a well-padded seat create a relaxed riding posture that reduces fatigue during long journeys. The suspension is tuned for cruising, absorbing most road imperfections while maintaining stability on highways and country roads. In terms of styling, the 2026 V Star 950 retains its classic cruiser appearance with a teardrop fuel tank, flowing fenders, spoke-style wheels, and extensive chrome detailing. The motorcycle appeals to riders who appreciate traditional cruiser aesthetics without sacrificing modern reliability. Accessories such as windshield, saddlebags, and backrest can further enhance its touring capabilities. Overall, the 2026 Yamaha V Star 950 is an excellent choice for riders seeking a dependable, comfortable, and attractive cruiser. Its smooth V-twin engine, low-maintenance belt drive, comfortable ergonomics, and proven reliability make it ideal for weekend rides, commuting, and light touring. While it is not designed for high-performance sport riding, it excels as a relaxed cruiser that delivers an enjoyable and confident riding experience for many years.